Okay, so we're going to start the class now. Are we ready to do some addition?
Yep.
Okay, so today's math class is going to be about adding. What does it mean to add things together?
That means you're taking some more scenes inside with the other scenes.
You take some things with the other things? Right. So let's pretend we're playing with these pens here. So say we had these two colored pens here, right? Now
Yep.
take some more in this pile
Okay.
and put them over there with those. Okay, so you started with these two, and then you added how many more?
Two.
Two more. Okay, so you took these two, and you added these two. So how many do you have now?
Four.
Four. That's good. So now let's go over what the sign looks like. Okay, when you're going to add, right?
Yep.
What sign do you use? Do you know what you use? Have you seen this before?
Mm-hmm.
What does that sign mean?
Plus.
Plus. Right, plus. Okay, and that means when you take some and then you add some more to it,
Yep.
you put them together. And when you add things together at the end, do you end up with more or less?
More.
More, that's right. Now, have you seen this symbol here?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what that one is?
Equals.
Equals. Now, what does that one mean?
That means you're putting some more stuff with the other stuff.
Okay. And then at the end, does it tell you how much you have all together?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to practice some. We're going to practice some just for fun. Okay. So, first, bless you. So first,
When will Sissy be here?
Sissy's going to come in for the next part. Okay. So say we take two circles here.
Ooh.
Okay. And
So
say
that's two.
That's two. And look it, I'm going to add some more over here. Okay. So how many did I start with?
You started with two and you added four more, and that makes six.
That does. Wow, that's excellent. You're correct. Now let me give you the pen and say you wanted to make a math sentence out of this. How would you do that? What would you write to make a math sentence out of that? Excellent. 4 plus 2
Can we make a number bond too?
equals 6. Can you show me which one is the 2 and which one is the 4?
This is
So point to it.
the two,
There's
and
your two.
this is the 4.
All right, and how do you know it adds up to 6? Say you wanted to check your work. How would you double check that to make sure that that's really 6?
Because if you put it 6 all together, that makes 6.
That's right. Now let me show you a trick. I'm going to show you a trick with my pink pen here.
Okay.
How we can double check our work. If we're not sure, we wanted to make sure, we could kind of count them by going like this. 1, 2. We can count on, right? 3. What's this one?
4,
How about this one?
5, 6.
Wow. So I think you're correct. That really is 6. That's excellent.
Can we make a number bond if we want to?
Do you want to make a number bond?
Yep.
Sure. Show me how you do that. Well, that is excellent. Very good. Very good. That's how you do the number bond. So actually we would change the number bond because remember the total, the big number goes right here. Okay? And remember those two lines that stick out? They show the two little numbers, and then the big number is right there. So you want to try that one again? 6. That's excellent. Very good. Very good. Well, let's try another one, okay? I'm going to erase this one.
Wow.
Okay, so now how about we try some happy faces? Happy face. How many happy faces do we have?
We got 4.
Okay. Now, let's add some more.
Okay.
I'll give you the green pen. You draw some happy faces underneath. As many as you want. Those are pretty happy. Okay, now
1,
let's
2,
stop.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so let's look at how many we have here. Let's count them all up. So first we started with how many?
4,
4 orange ones. And how many green ones?
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. So we have 4 and then you added 7. So can you take this? Why don't we take the red pen and at the top, why don't we write a number sentence to show 4? And then what do you do for adding? What do you put in the middle? A plus sign. Very good. And how many did you add at the bottom?
My guess
7.
is this might be 14?
I don't know. Let's double check our work. So remember how I gave you that little trick for how to double check how many you have? Take your little pen and write how many. Count on with each one, and then we'll check our work, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, very good.
5,
Okay.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ooh, 11.
Super close.
Super close. Is this 11? That doesn't look like 11.
12.
Oh, it should be 11 though. I think you just wrote the wrong number. Let's fix that one. So you said 11. Let's write 11. Okay, so we checked our work and we realized that 4 plus 7 doesn't equal 14. All right, you have the eraser? What does it equal?
12.
No. What does it equal?
11.
Okay, very good. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Well, that's excellent. So we practiced doing some adding. Okay, so when you took one number and then you put another number with it, you ended up with more or less?
More.
That's right.
Hey, Mommy.
That's right. Hold on just a moment. And then you practice that this symbol says what in our math sentence? This one right here.
Plus
And what does this one mean?
equals.
Equals. Okay.
Here's another choice you can do it. What if you had 7
Mm-hmm.
minus
Okay.
4
Okay.
equals 3?
That's very good. And that would be the next lesson. That's subtraction. Today we're just doing addition. So that's excellent, Luke. Thank you so much. So what we're going to do is to practice what we learned, we're going to do a worksheet.
Oh.
Okay, here's a worksheet
Ooh.
that we can practice. This is to assess how much we learned today. Okay, what we learned about adding. So do you want to go ahead and complete the worksheet? Can you do that, Matt?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the first one say?
3 plus 4 equals 7.
That's right. Very good. So go ahead and write 7 in the box. Excellent. And I'll let you continue on and finish your work. And make sure to put your name on your paper. And then we'll turn that in. Great job on the math today.